What's up, guys? In this adventure, we take the day off from work and find the perfect place to anchor, but we are forced to move. After moving, we explore the area since we've never been here before. While exploring, we see something pretty unusual. Make sure to watch to the end to see our new friend.
Folks, here's the deal. Kim and I, we took the day off of work, so we're gonna be going out to Bunce's Pass, Shell Key, Fort DeSoto. We're not exactly sure yet. Been checking the weather this morning to try to find the best spot. We're gonna pick a spot based on the winds and the tides and the current. We have about 5 different spots that we can go to, and we don't want to force the spot. We like to pick a spot based on the weather conditions. So if you saw like one of our other videos, we went out to Fort DeSoto. We started to anchor there. We wanted to go to that spot, but it was just too rough, too windy. I'll leave a link to that video somewhere up here, somewhere, so you guys can see that.
We're gonna go check it out. It's either gonna be Fort DeSoto. What's the other spot? Babe, help me out.
I'm trying not to talk.
Specifically asked you for help.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna pick one of our
Folks, here's the deal.
We're gonna be picking one of our favorite spots. It's either gonna be Fort DeSoto, Shell Key, or Bunce's Pass.
This is not scripted. This is all real deal stuff here, people.
Yeah. We're raw dogging it.
We're raw dog. Raw dog. What does that even mean?
Oh, come on.
So we're gonna go to that little area we talked about before, this little cut back here in the corner. There's one boat there, yeah, they're anchored, no big deal. But here's where we're gonna go, back in there. Guess we're not going back there, it's just too shallow. So you're just gonna do donuts around them? Hey, we're not staying here, just kidding, guys.
It's gonna take us back there, I'm too chicken. It was like 2 foot. Why is that smoking like that?
I think it's the temperature.
There were some waves that were kind of carrying me.
Get out there and see, they got a bigger boat, so they can't get all the way back here. Perf. He's getting out of there. That's a nice boat. I do like the power poles. Those are kind of cool. All that, because that's what you do. You just come over here and power pole it. I don't know if you need 1 or 2 though. They can be, I'm sure those are expensive.
Usually come in 2s.
Yeah. What do you guys use to anchor? Do you guys just use regular old anchor? We got the Fluke.
It must have a name. Yeah, because it doesn't look like the one that came with this boat. Whatever that was, looked like a mushroom.
Yeah, the one that the previous owners for this boat, they were from Michigan, so they had their Michigan mushroom-looking lake anchor, which is not going to do anything down here. Down here we have it's called a Fluke anchor. We have 2 of them, and we're using it now. And the Fluke anchor is really used to it's used to grip into sand. We have 2 anchors, and the only time we use the stern anchor is if we want to set our position. So if we want to face outwards, we will use that. A lot of times if you're at an island or you're at a sandbar somewhere, they're going to be using 2 anchors to position the boats, because there's going to be a whole bunch of boats all wedged in there. So you'll have 2 anchors. And if you're new to anchoring, my tip is to get out there first. Be the first person out there, because then you don't have to worry about screwing up, and because the more people watching you, the higher probability that you're going to screw up. That's just how it works. So get out there, be first. That way you got the whole area to yourself, and then you anchor, and then you just let them anchor around you. All right, so we're going to move the boat. These people just pulled up on us really close, just kind of yapping. It's just a little annoying. They could have anchored further away. So I'm gonna pull the boat over there, over yonder. It's over there, a little bit more privacy. There's no reason to be it's not a busy day, so there's no reason to anchor this close. So over there, I think it's gonna be fine. It'll give us some space, and that way we can kind of, you know, chill and enjoy. Get naked. Yep. Yeah, we can't be getting naked with these people here.
Oh, babe, just careful with your chair. The cool thing about these deck boats is there's not a lot of draft, so we can be in 2 foot of water and anchor and chill. So I think the rule of thumb is for every foot of water, you need 7 foot of line.
So that worked out. So we just went ahead and just moved her. Got a different spot right here. Look at that. Right here in the mangroves. So as long as there's no skeets or no seams, you know, but this is looking really good. We're just gonna chill here. We just want to enjoy our day. This is nice. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go kind of explore this little area. We're over here by this mangroves, and we can see in the back there that there's some water, and we're gonna check that out and see what's going on. We're gonna see what's back there. We have not been back there before. The water feels good. Look at, there's a shell right there. See that?
Where?
Right there in front of me.
No. Is it pretty? No, you go.
Right,
you go.
Let's see.
Look how squishy it is.
I got it. I like squishy. Oh snap! Yeah, it's not bad. Once you get it, shoot. Yeah, don't smell too fresh. So yeah.
Squishy.
Yeah, I think we're good. All right, so we're over here. It opens up through the mangroves here, and we've got this.
Oh, look at the fish jumping.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. So those are mullet jumping in the back there. I think we're about done here. So
I'm not that Florida.
you're bougie.
Yeah. I'm not.
Yeah.
Not that Florida.
Let's walk down here to the left. How's that?
I mean, that's cool. That tree there. Oh, the boat looks like our.
What are these planes? What? All right, so now we got some planes here. This is new. There's 2. You see those, babe?
Together.
The plane making kit?
Plane making kit.
I don't know about all that. Oh, y'all look like you're gonna crash into each other or something.
Tell me I have too much disposable income.
Without telling me that you have too much disposable income? They could have rented them, right? What we got? All plants and animals are protected. Prohibited on this beach. Alcohol. Good thing we don't have any alcohol. Pets, fire, grills, camping, fireworks, litter, nudity.